automatic wash basin with electric autonomy. It is a machine created and designed by two Peruvian inventors. It has the characteristic of being portable, automatic and easy to install, adaptable to any model of conventional domestic wash basin, as well as being autonomous in its energy consumption. It is placed on the surface of any common sink model, is connected to the supply outlet and is ready to start its operation. This equipment automatically discharges liquid soap and water, without touching any surface. Currently, all the devices that we know to carry out the task of washing hands, involves touching them, be it the tab or the liquid soap dispenser container. Unfortunately, we touch these surfaces before washing our hands. That means that those who were previously did the same, contaminating the surface of the sink and also the liquid soap dispenser. Although it is true after touching the contaminated surface, we proceed to wash our hands, this surface is already contaminated and not all people carry out a correct hand washing. In this way, it is possible to acquire an infectious agent by exposing ourselves to this procedure. How to use. To operate the mechanism, the user only has to place their hands under the discharge point. An infrared sensor will notice its presence and activate the orders to start the discharge of liquid soap, followed by a small jet of water to facilitate soaping, and then a longer stream of water to rinse off. Functioning. Once the user places their hands below the discharge point, they interrupt a beam of infrared light, which sends a command to the microcontroller to activate the mechanism's servo motor, which drives the liquid soap dispenser, followed by another short command to the servo motor, which activates the flush valve, which drops a small jet of water to lather. After 30 seconds the command will be repeated to discharge a longer jet of water to rinse. This equipment is electrical, but it does not need any external energy source for its operation, since it has a hydraulic micro-generator capable of generating up to 10 watts per hour, enough to power the equipment's mechanisms. This generator takes advantage of the output force of water to convert it into electrical energy. Therefore, with each hand washing, it generates energy for its operation. In addition to the system, it has a 9-volt rechargeable battery, which stores part of the energy generated during the process. This appliance generates its own electrical supply when used. If it is not used for more than 3 days, the backup battery must be removed and recharged externally with a common cell phone charger. It is recommended to turn off the equipment if it is planned more than 3 days without use. This is one of the Peruvian inventions for the fight against COVID-19.